Hello trombones and euphoniums, and welcome to your first guided music practice video. Unfortunately, the video that I did last week has gone missing, so I'm redoing this video for you. Today we are going to be learning and revising our first 6 notes: B flat, C, D, E flat, F, and G. And then we are going to be revising our ties and fermatas and practicing all of those in our music. You'll be successful when you can correctly identify and play your first 6 notes, and when you can explain what a tie and a fermata is. Let's get started. Pause me here and see if you can remember how to play your first 6 notes. Now let's do them together. B flats, first one, and then C, and then D, and then E flat, and then F, and then G. Do that again. B flat, C, D, E flat, F, and G, back to 4. And on euphonium, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G. And let's do it together one more time. Pause here and see if you can do it backwards as well. Now look at the start of exercise 30, warm up. This is where we first learnt our G. Say the notes and do the positions and fingers from the start. Ready? And E flat, F, G, rest, rest. G, F, E flat, rest, rest. E flat, F, G, F, G, F, E flat, 2, 3, 4, pause. Who can remember what the pause or fermata means? Say it out loud now. Hopefully you said that a fermata makes the note longer than its usual value. So when we're in band, you'll hold it for as long as I say so, but in class we'll hold it for 1 count longer than it normally goes for. So a 4 count note at the end of exercise 30 now goes for 5 counts. Now let's do the fingers and say the notes again. Trombones, slide positions. I'm going to do the euphonium ones. And E flat, F, G, rest, rest. G, F, E flat, rest, rest. E flat, 2, F, 2, G, 2, F, 2, G, 2, F, 2, E flat, 2, 3, 4, pause. And let's do it together. Just the first 2 bars. Ready? Rest, rest. And do it again. Make sure you're counting to 2 in your head. Pause and practice that on your own at least 3 times. Now look at the next 2 bars. G, F, E flat. Pause and practice that 3 times. Once you've done that, see if you can join those 4 bars all together. Pause it now. Now do it with me. Pause and practice that at least 3 more times. See if you can do the next 4 bars on your own. Pause it here. Now say the fingers and do the slide positions one more time. E flat, F, G, F, G, F, E flat, and let's play that. Did you remember to count in your head while you played? Do it one more time. Pause here and see if you can do the whole piece all together. Now look at exercise 31. In exercise 31, there are some ties. Say out loud now, hopefully, what you remember a tie to be. So a tie, remember, connects two notes that are the same and makes it one long note. So you'll see that the D there with a tie is a 2 count note plus a 1 count note, and that equals 3 counts. So we have D, 2, G, 2, D, 2, 3, 4, and it'll sound like this. See if you can do that now. D, 2, G, 2, D, 2, 3, 4. On the 4, was it a rest or were you still holding the note? Do it again. D, 2, G, 2, D, 2, 3. Good, so B4 is the rest. Now let's play it again together. What else do you notice about exercise 3? Hopefully you said it's the same position or the same fingers the whole way through. So I think now that we can play the whole song. Let's go from the beginning, playing. One position, 4th position, or fingers 1 and 2 for euphonium. 3. Pause and repeat that as many times as you need to until you feel like you can count the tie. Now look at exercise 35. In exercise 35, we are practicing all of the notes that we've already learnt, going up and down. Pause it here and see if you can work out all of the notes from the start to the end. Now let's do the positions and the fingers for the first 2 bars. B flat, C, D, E flat, F, E flat, D, C, and again, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, E flat, D, C. Pause and practice that on your own 3 times. Now see if you can play it. From the start, the first 2 bars. Pause here. Now let's play it together, the first 2 bars. Pause and practice that 3 more times. Now look at the next 2 bars and see if you can do it on your own. Pause it here. Now let's do the positions together. Ready? B flat, D, F, and then D. Now let's play it together. Is that what yours sounded like before? Hopefully it is. Pause and practice it 3 more times. Now see if you can join the first 4 bars together on your own. Pause here. Now let's play the first 4 bars together. one more time for the euphonium. B flat, C, D, E flat, F, E flat, D, C, B flat, D, F, D. How'd you go? Now see if you can do the next 4 bars on your own. They're pretty similar to the first 4 bars, so it should be pretty easy. Pause it here and do that now. Now let's check it. The next 4 bars all together. What was the one difference in those 4 bars? It went up to a G. Did you notice that it went up to a G? Hopefully you did. So that was our note from exercise 30, halfway through there. Play it again. The last 4 bars on your own. Pause here. Now the whole thing on your own again. How did you go today in practicing your first 6 notes, reading them and playing them as you go, as well as your ties and fermatas? Can you explain what a tie is now? And a fermata? What position is the note G? B flat? C? Where are they in your music? What do they look like? Hopefully that wasn't too hard. Let me know if there's anything I need to do for next lesson. Keep up the good work and happy practicing.